Problem solving is everywhere. Whether you're going to be a mother, father, teacher, computer programmer, scientist, researcher, business owner, coach, mathematician, manager, doctor, lawyer, banker, and etc. Some individuals believe you can either do it or you can't. It is, contrary to popular assumption, a skill that can be learned. Being good at problem solving is necessary as well. But today, there is something that can help you along the way. And this will help you to solve world problems. Just keep in mind that your math teacher or your textbooks may use different terminology, but it all boils down the same thing. These strategies will assist you in becoming more successful in the area of problem solving. So let's begin to explore this strategy.
George Polya, a Hungarian mathematician known as the father of modern problem solving, devised his renowned four-step problem-solving approach, which is now widely utilized to help individuals solve problems. Hello everybody, what's up? So in this video, we're going to talk about Polya's four-step problem-solving strategies and applying it to real-world problems. So, what are the Polya's four-step strategies in solving problem? So let's find it out. So first, we have to understand the problem. So we must look for the information, the data given, or the unknown, or whether it may have condition rather. So we must have to visualize the information and organize it. Next step is we should devise a plan. So you must have to make representation, make a calculation guess, or going through the process, revising the problem. So in making representation, you can draw diagram or make systematic list or use equation. It depends on you. And in making calculated guess, you can guess and check and look for a problem and make suppositions, and to go through the process you can act it out or work backwards, and to revise the problem you can restate the problem. Next is we have to carry out the plan. So this time we must use our mathematical knowledge, skills, as well as our logical thinking. Next we have our fourth step. So our fourth step is to look back. So how would we look back? So it is to check our solution and to improve and seek alternative solution if necessary. And that will be the Polya's four-step strategies in problem solving. To understand it better, I will give you some examples. Let's check it out.
Oh, it's Jean Mika's birthday. And you know what? Her mother said that her age is the sum of a number, and 2 is 6 less than twice that number. So, let's help Jean Mika to solve and know his age. Let's go! Now, we need Polya's four-step in solving problem. So first, we have the understanding the problem. So we make sure that we understand the problem. It says that it is the sum of a number, and 2 is 6 less than twice that number. So since we are looking for a number, we will let x equals a number. Up next is to devise a plan. The sum of a number and 2 is 6 less than twice that number. So what we're going to do right now is to create an equation. So we have x plus 2 is equal to 2x minus 6. So next, we have to carry out the plan or solve. So we got x plus 2 equals 2x minus 6. So we get all the x terms on the side. X plus 2 minus 2x is equal to 2x minus 6 minus 2x. Now we need to combine like terms. X plus negative 2x is negative x plus 2. So in the right side, we have 2x plus negative 2x. So 0. So copy the negative 6. So we got negative x plus 2 minus 2 is equal to negative 6 minus 2. Negative x is equal to negative 8. So we must divide it by negative 1 or times negative. So x is equal to 8. Now we are in our final step, which is to look back. So check and interpret. If you take the sum of 8 and 2, it is 6 less than twice 8. So this does check. So our final answer is number 8. So therefore, Jean Mika's age is 8. Happy 8th birthday, Jean Mika. Now, let's try another example. Miss Rebecca had a rectangular flower garden and has a width that is 8 feet less than twice the length. Find the dimension if the perimeter is 20 feet. So, let's solve this. Let's help Miss Rebecca out. So, now, make sure that you read the question carefully several times. We are looking for the length and the width of the rectangle. Since width can be written in terms of length, we will let L equal length. Width is 8 feet, then twice the length. So 2L minus 8 is equal to the width. Now that we understand our problem, we must devise a plan. So the perimeter equal 2 or the length plus 2 the width. So perimeter equals 20 equals 2L plus 2 times 2L minus 8. Now, where did we get that 2L? So, in our problem, it says that the width is 8 feet less than twice the length. So that is why we must put 2L or twice the length. Next, we will carry out the plan or solve. So we have 20, which is the perimeter, equals to 2L plus 2 times 2L minus 8. So 20 minus 2L plus 4L minus 6. So this time we will combine like terms. We have 20 equals 6L minus 16. So we have 20 plus the inverse of negative 16, which is positive 16, equals to 6L minus 16 plus 16. So we have 36 over 6L. So divide by 6. So we got 6 equals to L. So looking back, if length is 6, then width, which is 8 feet less than twice the length, would have to be 4. The perimeter of a triangle with width of 4 feet and length of 6 feet is 20 feet. And our final answer is width is 4 feet and length is 6 feet. I'm live here from Miss Rebecca's rectangular flower garden. And that ends my topic for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you learned something from it. Have a great day.